Hi there, this is grade 9 science. This is the electric potential worksheet, and I believe this is lesson 7. Okay, so we're going to have a quick look here at question number 1. Remember our solving rules. Once again, we're going to follow those. Question 1 says, what is the potential difference for voltage in a battery if the charge is 45 coulombs and 155 joules of energy are used? So remember that we're going to write down our values that we know. So the charge is 45, so Q is equal to 45, and we have 155 joules of energy, so E is equal to 155, and we are asked to solve for the voltage, so it's the question mark. Recall the formula for voltage is energy over charge, or E over Q. Line up our equal signs. The energy is 155, the charge is 45. Get your calculator out and do that division, and you should get 3.4 volts, or 3.4 V. And keeping in mind, once again, that we're going to line up our equal signs. We're going to have units on our final answer, and our final answer that you want me to mark is in the bottom right-hand corner of your workspace. Looking at question number 2 now. If a 9-volt battery has a charge of 46 coulombs, how much chemical energy does the battery have? Let's write out what we know. The voltage is 9 volts. The charge is 46. Q equals 46. How much energy does the battery have? E is our question mark. Write the formula. V equals E over Q. The E version of that is E is equal to Q times V. So the charge is 46, voltage is 9, 46 times 9, 414 joules of energy. That is our final answer. Again, we wrote what we needed to know, or what we did know, what we needed to know, wrote the formula, substituted, lined up my equal signs, units, bottom right-hand corner. What is the charge of a battery if it is a 9-volt battery and has 600 joules? That should be of energy. Fix that right there. So we know that the voltage is 9, the energy is 600, and we are looking for total charge, question mark. V equals E over Q. We are looking for the charge. Q equals E over V is our formula for charge. Q equals energy, 600, divide by 9. Your Q value is 66.7 charge, that's coulombs. I wrote what I knew, I wrote what I needed to find out, I wrote my formula, I substituted, I lined up my equal signs, got units, bottom right hand corner. 2 questions left. How many joules of energy are released from a 6-volt battery that has a charge of 250 coulombs? I know the voltage is 6. I know the charge, Q, is 250. I am looking for energy. Question. V equals E over Q. We're solving for E. The formula for E is Q times V. 250 times 6 equals 1,500 joules of energy. Last question. A battery uses 85 joules of energy with a charge of 225 coulombs. What is its electric potential of the battery, or voltage? We have energy, 85, charge, 25. Solving for V, question mark. D equals E over Q. V equals 85 over 25. V equals 3.4 volts. I wrote my variables, I wrote my formula, I lined up my equal signs, I got my answer with units in the bottom right hand corner. I'm done. I got to work on my happy faces.